morning, welcome to Ellis Pigeon Loft. We're back with another video. We're gonna have a toss this morning. I told you guys, the young birds toss today, 2021 birds. We're taking them for that 15 miles. We're taking 15 miles this morning, the young birds. We took them 4 miles and a half already. I took them 9 miles. We're going to take them 15 miles this morning. And give you an update. And I put the birds in the basket. Show you the birds, the young birds. And I'll be back. As we are here now again, we now reach our destination. The road is pretty rough. Bad road. Take a lot of time to get here. Yeah, here we have the 11 young birds. That road was pretty bad. Pretty bad, not pretty bad. It was the worst road I've driven for a long time to get to this destination. This is 15 miles we're gonna fly from here. Hope the birds make it back. The sun is pretty warm already. So the birds will be flying in that direction. Here's home. This is St. Andrew. We're gonna fly from 15 miles. You see what the birds do. Be a long time within the basket. The birds are a bit hasty, kind of hot. It's warm. So I'm gonna release the birds and see how it goes. Birds are over yonder, that direction. 11 young birds, 2021 birds. See, the bird fed is a bit pretty warm, but when I get back home and make the conch, see if I can make it back home. Making some circles, quite strange to the area. Getting to know the beacon to see what route to take. Birds are going up, going to that direction, which is a good start. We're going here, but that's a good start. So we'll see you when they get back. Made it back. Give you an update. Look and see if the birds are, all the birds are here. That road was pretty rough. If it was 10 minutes drive, it was so bad it took me 20 minutes. The road was pretty rough. But I see some of the birds out here. Some of these is 2020 birds, 2019 birds. But I know the young birds. Got one here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 9, 10, 11. All the birds made it back. 15 miles. Pretty awesome. Love it. So yes, we're gonna time to come early in the year. I'm gonna extend the loft, make it bigger. Separate the birds. I'll probably next year I'm gonna have the club going again. I never get a chance to join the club, but hopefully next year when it starts back, I'll get a chance. I can raise the birds. But that's about it for the day. Hope you like the video. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Peace out.